David Sherlander and Artist Dale. So today we talk about pre-order part or ROP and economic order quantity EOQ. Before we start, we have learning outcomes. So number one, compute the appropriate reorder point considering demand during lead time and safety stock. Number two, analyze inventory management problems and select suitable EOQ and ROP models to improve supply chain efficiency. 3. Interpret the result of EOQ and ROP calculations to make informed decisions about reorder schedules and stock levels. What is reorder point? The reorder point is the inventory level at which a new order must be placed to replenish the stock before it reaches zero, ensuring continuous operations and preventing stock out. So, kung saan mo order ang mga stock before mawagtang o ma-stock out ka and smooth continuous operation ng mga business. Here is the formula. Reorder point equals usage times lead time plus safety stock. Okay. Example. If the company expected daily usage is 100 bottles of wine, the anticipated delivery is 6 or 10 days. When will the company place the order? Reorder point. Formula ROP equals usage time, lead time, plus safety stock. ROP equals 100 bottles per day times 6 or 10 days plus 100 bottles per day times 4. ROP equals 100 times 6 days plus 100 times 4. And ROP 600 plus 400, so equals ROP equals 1,000 bottles of wine. So you place the order June 13, so the lead time is 6 to 10 days. And the order will arrive is June 19. And June 19 is 6 days minimum order of lead time. And safety stock dates is June 19 to June 23, 4 days. Economic order quantity EOQ. So under EOQ, we can also compute numbers of orders per year. So NO, formula, ang formula niya kay NO and EOQ. And total ordering cost per year, TOC. Ang formula niya kay TOC equals NO times OC. Ang average inventory or AI. Pero ang formula niya kay EOQ over 2. Total carrying cost per year, or TCC, ang formula niya TCC equals AI times CC. Total cost or TC, ang formula niya kay TC equals TOC plus TCC. EOQ equals 10 square root of 10 pesos and 10,000 jars over 0.80 pesos. So, here this answer is EOQ equals 500 jars. NO equals N over EOQ. NO equals of 10,000 jars over 500 jars. So, Maria, here is the answer. NO equals 20 orders. So, here, nakatap sa C. So, TOC, so we have the TOC. So, ang formula TOC here is TOC equals NO times OC. TOC equals 20 orders times 10 pesos. So, here's the answer of formula of TOC. TOC equals 200 pesos. Average inventory. So, here's the formula. AI equals EOQ over 2. AI equals 100 jars over 2. So, here's the answer. AI equals 250 of jars. So, here we go sa TCC. So, here's the formula. TCC equals AI times CC. TCC equals 250 of jars times 0.80 pesos. So, here the answer is TCC equals 200 pesos. So, TC, total cost. So, here's the formula of TC. TC equals TOC plus TCC. And TC equals 200 pesos plus 200 pesos. So, here the answer of TC, total cost. TC equals 400 pesos.